Hello everyone, welcome back to BF Perspective once again. Today we will create this beautiful snow landscape inside of Unreal Engine only. In this video we will use all the snow assets from the Quixel bridge. We will use Quixel mixture to add some realistic snow over any 3D meshes. We will create some realistic house using Unreal Engine modeling tool. And last one we will create a beautiful snowfall using Niagara FX. So without much further ado, let's start the video. So open up the Unreal Engine, go to file, new level. I will choose empty level here, create. Now you can see there is no light setup here, so we will add. So go to window, select place actors, go to lights and just start adding this direction light, and then I will add skylight, and then I will go to visual effects and add sky atmosphere and then exponential height fog. And if you want any cloud, then you can add this volumetric cloud. Okay, so last I will add this post processing volume and go to exposure setting. Under this post processing volume, just open it and you can see this minimum and maximum exposure. Just add one by one and then search for infinity and just click this, and now we have a perfect environmental light setup. Okay, by Ctrl L you can change the light direction. Now I will add landscape, so go to select mode, just select landscape and just create. Okay, this is our large landscape. So now I will sculpt it little bit. If you want, then you can do it, otherwise skip this step. Okay, I will sculpt this little bit like this, just little area. Okay, so you can change the light, I can check. So I will go to select mode again, and now I will select this skylight and just check the real-time capture. Okay, now we have a perfect environmental light setup and landscape. Now I will go to Quixel bridge and search for my landscape material. So go to surface and just go below, and here we have snow option. So these are the option, you can choose any of this. This is the pure snow you can find, or if I go to this mixed option, these are kind of mixed snow, because in real life snow are not perfectly pure. So I will download this one. After downloaded, I will simply click on add to export it. So the material is exported. Let's close this and open the content browser, then go to Megascan folder, and here we have all the surface I have downloaded before starting this project. So you can go to here and select to material and material intense to directly see the materials only. Okay, in this process you will get this easily. Okay, this overall material instance. So I will select this landscape, select the material you want to apply, select the landscape and go on the details. You will find this landscape material, just click here, and now you can see this is completely white. Just double click here and change the tiling by 0.1 by 0.1 and save it. Now you can see by changing the light by Ctrl L, we have perfect snow landscape. Okay, now we will start adding other 3D assets and much more. So let's go to Quixel bridge and I will go to 3D asset and I will go to nature and snow, this one, and you can download any of these 3D snow asset whatever you want. Okay, so I have already downloaded some of this 3D meshes in Nanite. Okay, so I will go to local because I have already downloaded. You can see these are, I already downloaded these 3 mountains and this also. So I will close this and simply drag and drop all the assets from my local folder. So I will go to Megascan, and here I have all the 3D assets. Sorry, these are the materials. Let's turn off this and click here, and you can select static mesh to see only the meshes. Okay, these are the meshes. So now we will simply drag and drop all the assets and start creating our environment like this, and let's move it a little bit here. Okay, now I will drag and drop this one. Let's increase its size by 10. Yes, this is okay, and move it a little bit. We will move it later. Let's add another one, and you can use the same mountain, same meshes again and again by pressing Alt and move the mesh. Okay, so now we will add another one. There are lots of options, so no need to use again and again the same meshes. Okay, use different meshes to show the difference. So I will increase its size. If you don't understand, please follow the step that I am doing. Okay, rotate this and then place it here like this. Yes, this is fine. One more time, let's rotate it a little bit. Okay, now I will add some assets that will connect our mountain, I mean snow mountain, and our ground together. Okay, so this will be better. Let's place this here and rotate it little bit like this, and again we will add another one and place it here and increase its size. Always use your own imagination. Just check out all the content from the Quixel bridge and just imagine yourself what you can do with all the assets. Okay, so just to show you, I am using this randomly. So let's decrease its size little bit. So I am fast forwarding these steps. You take your time and create your own. Okay, because this takes time to make a beautiful landscape. Okay, so after this is last one. Now we will add some 3D models from the same Quixel bridge. Let's save this one by Ctrl S, and I will save it as snow landscape. Okay, now I will go to cinematic and add a camera so that we will work on a specific frame, not in other area. Okay, this will save our time. So go to perspective and select the cine camera actor and change the camera setting to 16:9 and lens setting will be 30 mm. Okay, so this is okay for me. Now we will use Quixel mixture to add some snow over some custom 3D models. Okay, so let's add some fog first, little bit like this, and you can change the light direction to check how this is working. Okay, so check out all the options, all the values, and I will go and enable the volumetric fog. I will change the light a little bit, I mean change the color of the fog. Okay, this is okay for me. So you can see this is looking so realistic. Okay, now we will use Quixel mixer. Okay, so let's go to online and go to all type and select the 3D, and here you can use any of the 3D asset you want. Okay, so I will search for statue, and there are lots of 3D statue meshes are available here. So I will select this one and download this. So after downloading, we will add the snow over this 3D mesh. So I will go to local library, and here is my downloaded mesh or downloaded 3D asset. So select this and you will get a message, just OK. And now this is the mesh. We will add some snow over this, I mean snow material over this. Okay, so I have already downloaded some snow materials, but let me show you. Just go to surface here and search for snow, and here you can find the same material that you seen in the Quixel bridge. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so I will select any of this. You can see after selecting the material, this automatic capture the whole statue. Okay, so let's see which one will be better. After then we will work. So this is not looking good. Let's go to layer, and here you can see all the materials are applied. So let's see which one will be better. Then I will delete this 3 and I will keep this one. This is okay for me. Now I will go to select this and select this one, height blending, and now if you increase its height, you can see what happening here. Okay, this is applying the snow unevenly, not in equal. Okay, so in this way you can do. So just select this mask option and go to here, click here and go to pattern and select the gradient. Now I will rotate this. No, I will go to here first and add gradient ramp and just decrease its value. You can see what happening. Okay, and increase its left value to like this. Mean left side is white value and right side is black value. Okay, and I will rotate this gradient to check how it is working. Okay, if you do not understanding, then just follow the steps what I am doing. Okay, then again I will go here and add some blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, and I will increase its strength little bit so that it will blend perfectly, and here I will increase its height. Okay, and blend radius also, and then just look over here all the value and do according to your imagination, your wishes. Okay, so this is okay for me, I think, and this angle should be like this. Okay, in this way we can add snow in any of the 3D nanite meshes. Okay, so I will simply go to export now. So select this custom. In export location, just select open folder after export, then choose your location to save. So I will save here, I have already saved. Okay, then select this export model, then I will simply hit export. You can choose the resolutions here. Okay, you can choose 1K or 2K or whatever you want, then simply export to disk. Okay, in this way you can add snow over any of the 3D models available in Quixel Bridge. Okay, must remember. So I have already exported by applying the snow materials like this tree, this lamp, and all of this. Okay, so let's close this mixture. Now we will import this into our Unreal Engine. So go to content folder and right click here and create new folder. So we will create separate folder for separate meshes. So here I will import my lamp that I have exported from the Quixel mixer. Okay, so this is imported, and then I will go to content again and I will import all the assets that I have exported from the Quixel mixer. Okay, after then we will work. So now I will add this first that I have exported from the mixer. So let's increase its size whatever you wish. Okay, must remember this mesh is exported from the Quixel mixture because we have to add snow over this. So place it anywhere. This will be okay, and then Alt and move the mouse to duplicate this, and I will place it here. I will duplicate this 2-3 times. Okay, and again Alt and move the mouse, and I will place it here like this. Just rotate it a little bit. So now this is ready. Now we will apply the material. So just you can see the albedo, right click and create material. Just rename your material like men, double click here, and now you can see a window. Just open the content browser. Oh sorry, let's maximize this window. Okay, now I will drag and drop the normal map and simply tag this into normal. Okay, this is node base. So again I will go to roughness and drag and drop and simply connect it with the roughness. This is so easy. Okay, as after exporting from the Quixel mixture, we will follow the same process to create the material again. So save this and now close this window. Now we have this material. Now we can drag and drop in our mesh. So let's apply this in all the 3 meshes. Now if we go close to this, let's see what happened, how our texture is looking like. So this is so cool, this is realistic looking. Okay, in this way you can use the Quixel mixture inside of Unreal Engine, and add snow and add any of the material if you have another type of environment. Okay, so I have already imported rest of the meshes from the pixel mixture. So this is a dry tree. Let's apply it here, and in same process we will create the material here also. So let's open it and right click on albedo, create material, and just same process, drag and drop all the material. Okay, now you can see this is looking so realistic. Remember guys, don't be confused, this process is same as I shown you, that's why I speed up this process. Okay, so you can see this is looking so cinematic. Now you will create a house using modeling tool inside of this only, no other software, and we are not going to download any of the internet. Okay, so let me sculpt this little bit where I want to create my house. So let's go to plugin. You have to enable modeling tool. Just click here and enable this one. Then after restart, go to modeling tool again and select this box and change its size to 300 by 300. Okay, or 800, whatever you want. Let me take this like 600, this is okay for me. And then I will rotate this little bit. I can increase its size here also, or we can increase its size later. Rotate it little bit in these directions. Just follow the process, don't be confused, and move it little bit like this. Okay, so here I will create my house. So let's apply some material to this. Before that I will remesh. So go to mesh option and remesh, click here and change its value to something like 1 million, so that we can add more details to our house base and accept this. Now we will open the Quixel bridge and find some material for our house base. Okay, so go to surface, then go to wood, and here we have lots of wooden plank options. So choose any of this. I have downloaded this one already, so I will simply export this. Now you can see this is exported. Just close this window and drag and drop this one, or you can close this also and you can drag and drop through the content browser. Just go to Megascan and go to surface. Okay, you can see by material instance. Okay, but I will not use this process. I will simply find my material by folder. So this one, I think, yes, this one. So I will drag and drop this one. You can see this is already looking so realistic, but we will add some little bit of displacement here. Okay, so that it will look 3D. So I will go to deform and displace. Oh, so this is so bad, so weird looking. So what I will do is change its type to texture 2D map. Okay, after then you can see this is plain, so drag and drop this last material to displacement map. Okay, now you can see some changes here. So go to channel and change its channel to blue, and you can see nothing here. Let's change its value, displacement intensity, to something like 30, and you can see this is exported, or you can change to 50. Okay, so we will not displace this much more. Accept, and again I will go to simplify this and simply accept this. Okay, now I will click on Ctrl B to open this mesh and change it into the nanite. Okay, so Ctrl B and double click here. You can see this mesh, we just generated this by some displacement method and change it into the nanite and enable this. Now we will go to save, and now this is our nanite converted into nanite. Okay, in this process we will complete our house. Okay, so now I will go to Quixel Bridge again, and I will search for, I have already downloaded lots of materials and 3D meshes to create the house. Okay, and let me show you. From the wood you can see this log option. This is kind of bamboo. Okay, you can create a bamboo wall by this. So I'm just showing you, I have already downloaded, I will show you the process only. So again I will go to 3D asset, and here we have this get option. Also I will use any of this. So I will close this one, I have already downloaded, and I duplicate this 4 times to increase my house size. Okay, so go to modeling tool and go to box, and I will place it anywhere. Let's change its size to 300 by 300 and place it here and complete. Move it here. Now select the mesh and go to Megascan again, and I will apply another log material here, bamboo material. So I have applied, and go to, first we will remesh this one. Same process guys, I just did in the previous process that I have made the house base. Okay, that same process I am using here. So I have applied another material, and now I will go to deform and displace this, and here I will go to content browser and use this last material and apply this to displacement material, and you can see this is looking so realistic and perfectly displaced. So you can change its displacement intensity if you want, but this is okay for me. You can change to like 10, so I will keep it 30 and accept. Now we will go to mesh option and simplify this. Same process guys I did for the house base, that same exact process. Okay, so my wall part is ready. Now I will go to Ctrl B and change it into the nanite. Just press Ctrl B and you can get this mesh, selected mesh. Okay, and change it to the nanite. Okay, just close this, and now we will start creating the wall. Let me show you this is nanite or not. Go to nanite visualization, and you can see these triangles here. Triangles means this is nanite, means high quality and realistic looking. Okay, so let's make it like a wall. So I will rotate this and place it, sorry, I will place it here and duplicate this one by pressing Alt and move the mouse button. So I just speed up this process. This is so simple. Just duplicate all the assets and place wherever you want. I'm designing it as a house. Okay, so for here I will add a Quixel content that I have downloaded, a gate. Okay, so I will go to static mesh and this is the gate I will use now. So simply drag and drop here and let's rotate this. Like this, and now place it here, increase its size, something like this, and I will delete 2 mesh here and adjust by the door. So this is okay for me. Now I will cover the back side of the house by duplicating the same meshes. Okay, so let's finish this. Just duplicate every meshes and create your house. Now I will go to my content browser, sorry, Quixel Bridge, and I will download it, this 2 pillar or wooden beam. I will use this. I have already downloaded, so I will drag and drop this here, or you can drag and drop from the content browser. Okay, don't be confused. Simply download the asset, export the asset, and it will come to your content browser Megascan folder. Okay, so again I will start adding this in some areas. So duplicate this by Alt and move the object. So let's select this both and so our house is finished. Now we will create our top part. So I have already created some roof inside of Quixel mixture. Let me show you this one. In the same process I created inside the Quixel mixture. Okay, so I will drag and drop this. So before start the roof panel, we will create some triangle kind of shape here. Let me show you what I want to say. So go to this create option, polyX, and create a shape like triangle. Just select this one and create a triangle kind of shape and just here and end it here and just move it little bit and you can see a 3D mesh is generated. Okay, now I will go to complete, and if I move this to upward, you can see this is a 3D mesh is generated by a simple process. So now I will rotate this and move it to the house. Okay, I hope you can understand what I wanted to say. Okay, so take your time and check out the whole Quixel bridge and use your imagination. I will move it little bit here and I will decrease its size by selecting this and move it little bit here. You can change the size in any direction. Okay, so this is okay for me. Now I will add another material to this mesh. So I will remesh again like 50,000 and accept. And now I will apply the material I have already downloaded. So go to surface and then let me check. Yes, this one I will apply now. So close this and just drag and drop. So this is okay, but the angle is not good, so let's open it and click here rotation angle, and you can change the rotation here as your wish. Okay, save it. So this is okay for me. I will not apply any displacement here, so simply move it, another duplicate here, and now I will add the top roof to it that exported from the Quixel mixture. Let's save it. So this is saved. Now I will go this folder and this one. Okay, again I will show you. So let's drag and drop this and adjust according to our roof, our house roof. Okay, same process, just increase the size, duplicate the roof and place it wherever you want, and I will duplicate this 4 times and adjust it. And to fill the gap I have another one, and let's place it to here. Okay, this is just like copy and paste and moving the objects according to your scene, guys. Okay, and again I will select all these meshes and rotate it to the another side of the house. Okay, so you can just see the process what I am doing. If you have confused in any step, just go to previous step and check out. So my house is completed, and there is one more thing, this is looking gap, so I will fill it by using one more time. So I will simply use this one, increase its size and rotate it like this, and so this is finished. So our house is completed. Now we can add some more things to here. I will go to Quixel Bridge again, and here I will go to 3D asset and search for wood, and if I go inside here I have this pillar option, and I will download this wooden ornate post. Until then I will download another mesh, this railing, this one, to place it around the house. So let's export this both, and let it load. So I will simply drag and drop this to here and just increase its size. You can create your own design, guys. Okay, I'm just showing you the process, just follow the process. If you have any doubt, then go to previous step and see what I just did. Okay, or you can comment in the comment section below. So I just duplicate the same pillar and place it here. Okay, now I will add some railing. This is okay for me. So I will remove this to add the window. So I will go to 3D asset. Let's export this first. Okay, and close this. Now I will go to search box and search for window, and you can use any of the window option. Okay, so I will go below and I will use this one. So simply download it, export it. Okay, so exported, minimize this and simply drag and drop to here. Okay, and move this here, and I will scale it in the specific axis only, not in all direction. So this is okay for me. This is looking realistic now. You can add more assets to here, more detail to here. Okay, I'm just showing the reference. So after making the house, now we will use the railing that we have downloaded. So I will go to static mesh here. So this is my railing, and in the same process I will start adding this. Okay, duplicating this and increase its size like this one, like this, and place it something like here. And now I will start duplicating this and place it according to my wish. Okay, wherever you want, just rotate, scale and duplicate the same object all around the house to cover it. Okay, so railing process is finished. This is last one. Let's place it here. Now here I will add a stair. So we will go to content browser, Quixel bridge again, and here I will search for stair, and I want to add some wooden stair here. So this one is okay, I think. Wait, this, no, this one. So simply download it. See guys, to create an environment it take more time. Okay, like 2 week, 3 week kind of time. Okay, to add the more details. So take your time, follow the steps. So here I have the stair. I will simply drag and drop it and close this window and rotate it like this, and I will move this to here, and let's increase its size like this so that it will touch the ground. So this is finished. My house is completely finished inside of Unreal Engine only. No other softwares are used. Okay, so now we will add some more things here. So I will go to lamp that I have exported from the Quixel mixer. Again I am saying the same process. This one you can see I just added the snow. So I will drag and drop this, and then I will create the material. Same process, you know that. So right click here and create material and double click, rename this. Same process you can see in the first. Okay, and simply drag and drop this. Okay, so let's go to camera here and see how this is looking. This is looking so realistic, you can see. Okay, so now I will duplicate the lamp several times, and let's see what this is looking like. I will duplicate this several times. Okay, take your time and create your own. So now we will add some snowfall. This is fun part. So just right click here and go to FX, select Niagara emitter and select this one, new emitter, next, and select this fountain and just finish and rename this. I will rename this as Snow FX. Double click here. Now you can see, and Don't be confused, nothing is so difficult here. Okay, in the left side you can see the display. Here we will search for velocity, and below you can see minimum and maximum. Here we will change the value only, like minus 1000. Sorry, let's search again. Minus 1000, and maximum will be minus 850. Okay, you can see the display in the left side how this is affecting according to our value. Okay, so go to cone angle again and change it to 45. Then we will go to search for sphere, and here you can see sphere radius. We will change it to like 5000. Now you can see so little amount of snow is visible. So again I will go to gravity, and here we have in the z axis just add the value minus 15. Okay, you can change it from minus 15 to minus 25. Okay, so the snow is not visible more, so I will search for SPAW and go below, and you can see the spawn rate here, this one, and increase its size according to your radius. Okay, like 5000. We have added the value of sphere radius is 5000. Okay, you can add less than this. Now last one, that is lifetime, and here we have, sorry, where is that, this one, yes, minimum and maximum. Just add like 10 and 15. Okay, that's all for snowfall. You can see so beautifully snowfall. You can decrease its size by 5 by 5. Now this is okay for me. Just go to apply and save it. So our snowfall is ready. So close this window, again open the content browser, right click here and go to create Niagara system and click this, and simply again content browser, and this is the effects is created. Simply drag and drop, and snowfall is finished. Okay, you can see all around, this is realistic. So this is for today's video guys. If you like this video, if this video is helpful for you, please give a like to this video and support me. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, that is more important. Okay, so press the bell icon and see you again in the next video. Have a nice day.